Hello friends, my name is Dr. Makkar. I am senior consultant in Ask Dr. Makkar. So today topic is allergy and what are the reason causes of allergy. Allergy is an aggregated response of the immune system to certain agents. It may be internal or it may be external. Before discussing the internal or external agent, we are discussing what is immune system. Immune system is a basic mechanism body has. Whenever we contact into allergen, this defend from those allergens by protecting them or fighting them. When someone is having weak immune system, the allergens will affect them more. So, what is priority of your doctor? Your doctor priority is in allergy to improve your immune system. If we goes into modern medicine, there is no medicine to improve the immune system in our body. While from last 200 years, homeopathy easily and conveniently able to control the immune system, improve it, and by this it not only remove the symptom of allergy but also remove the cause. The cause is the weak immune system. Weak immune system is a real culprit rather than the allergens are culprit. Allergens are the basic thing. They are not the root cause. If we have any tree, if we cut the branches, it will grow again and again. But the root will, if root will remain, the plant is no stop growing like that. If we are only improving the symptom like we do in allopathy, it will work for a few days, but it will affect as soon as you goes into the allergens. So there are two type of allergens. One is internal allergen, one is external allergen. Internal allergens are basically food or food allergies, and external are dust, pollen, animal dander, cat dander, dog dander, etc. So, what we can do if someone is getting allergic attack? If you are suffering from a long run, then homeopathy will take time. It will take least 1 week time to improve your symptom. But if you are acutely affected, within few hours, in some cases within 2 to 4 hours, body will recover itself. So, how homeopathy is improving the body? Homeopathy medicine only stimulate the immune system. By stimulating immune system, it enable body own healing capacity for the allergy. That's why there is no dependency in homeopathy medicine. There is no need to take medicine in long run, and so homeopathy is more better for these cases. Second thing, homeopathy not only improve the symptom, it also improve person as a whole. Some people are getting hot body. They are going when they are going from AC to outside or from outside to inside. They suffer more easily from allergy and rhinitis, while other is not having that type of body. So the medicine is prescribed according to tailored prescription according to the need of the individual. So there is a homeopathy topic is over. Now we are discussing what are the self-care measures we can do if someone is suffering from allergy. Because if you are in your attack of allergy, if you are continuously get contacted with the allergens, then it is very hard to tackle the situation. So for the time you starting treatment, you have to take few precautions. For example, if you are having home and in home Try to avoid damp and cellars, basements especially. Second, for kitchen use the chimney. Chimney will remove all fumes from the room so that there is less allergic reaction will occur. Use AC with better filters. If your AC is having triple filter, or there are few ACs are coming with the special filter for allergic patients. If your AC is not having fitted with that type of filters, buy those filter in the Amazon. There is 3M product. They are specially for the allergic patients. It remove all dust and pollens from the room. Avoid going into sun directly from the AC. When season is changing, use proper temperature at the room. If it is too chilled or too hot, then both will affect it. Use the normal temperature 24, 25, 26 for our room temperature. Choose diet rich in vitamin C. For example, kiwi is the best option in these options. Take a kiwi a day. It will improve your immunity up to very good level. After that, you can use lemon, oranges, amla, honey. This will also improve your immunity. If you take every morning one basil leaf or tulsi leaf, it will also improve your health. Do alom vilom daily. It will improve your lung capacity. For today topic is over. Next time we will come with another topic. For more detail you can subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot for listening our video.